how to do the OLL case 1 step by step. So let's do this. You have to notice the yellow squares here. You can see one down here, one up here. You can see a pillar on the two sides. So that is the OLL case 1. Now I will show how to solve it. So you have to move this layer here. Now you do a double turn, and now you do a double turn here. Now you on the front layer you move here, the right here. Now you undo the front layer, do a double move here, undo the right move, and now do these 3 moves. And now it's POL, really simple. You can see I will do it faster because it's not what I want in this video. And now the true POL, and that's it. I will show it again a little bit faster. So now I will show it a little bit faster, so let's do this. R2, R2, F, R, F prime, U2, R prime, F, R, and F prime. And here, it's the swap alg, really easy. And now we have the Z perm again. My cube is catching a little bit, but it's okay. And that's it. Subscribe my channel to help me do more content for you, okay? I will wait you for the next OLLs. Take care.